My ancestors have cared for this land for at least 50,000 years, and I take on the responsibility of sharing that culture, not only with my family and my people, but all Australians.
Our trips are designed to give people a much deeper understanding of life out in the outback, particularly for Indigenous people, than they might otherwise learn by coming out here on a regular journey.
I wanted to come on this trip because I wanted to know about life in Central Australia, particularly for Aboriginal people, because we just don't hear enough about it, and what we do know is really limited.
They get to travel with the custodians of the land. We get to go to places that normal tourists don't get to see. We get to stay in great places like this that there's no one for kilometres.
Very different from what I'm used to. You sort of get taken aback by all the stars at night, it's all the red dust.
Getting around Uluru was very interesting. Using my wheelchair, there were a couple of sandy bits where I got bogged, but I had my mates to push me along, so it was all good.
Really eye-opening, because I've been able to actually get an understanding of the truth about Aboriginal cultures from Aboriginal people themselves, not from textbooks or videos.
All the stuff we're doing out here, you just can't learn it in the classroom.
There was one point where we had to shift a rock from the middle of the road, and it's one of the toughest things we've ever done as a group. So it's made us really close with each other, knowing that we've done something really special together.
It's great that I've got the young fellas here helping me today. It's good because if they weren't here, my wife and I would be doing it.
If I wasn't here breaking rocks today, I'd be doing my geography project, and that'd probably be breaking me.
Food has been superb, I'm not going to lie, and witchetty grubs were great. They had great texture, melted in your mouth, exploded everything you would want from food. It was great.
Just bulking up for footy season, got a bit of bush protein here.
Any time that we can get the boys off their iPads and technology and sort of experiencing what Australia has to offer, all the better.
No Instagram, no Facebook, nothing like that. No technology, it's just really liberating.
They get to be independent, they're away from their folks, they're with their mates. Everywhere they go, they get to learn things, and it's just priceless.
I think I want to take away the better understanding of Aboriginal culture in Central Australia, but also the experiences I've had with my friends, which has been a really just a great thing to do.
Coming out here and having this experience just taught me that if something goes wrong, you can't just stand by and let someone else do it. You've got to get your hands dirty, get in there and just fix it yourself.
They're boys now, but they're becoming men, and I think you really see that after 7 days in the desert.